What's going on, guys? Roland Blase. We're about to learn some simple techniques that'll make your solo sound better. A better solo idea. This is using the 7-1. We're in the key of B flat. We go to the 7th note, then the 1st note. And guys, I'm about to open your mind on how to use this, guys. Stay tuned. This is Roland Blase. Let's go!
Something that's good for me.
Okay guys, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and like and subscribe the video. Support this channel, y'all. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we're in the key of B flat. What's our chord progression? Starts on the 4th note of B flat. So you got an E flat, then it goes to the F, then it goes to the D minor, then it goes to the G minor. So that's a 4, 5, go down to the 3, and do the 6. So what do I mean by 7-1? What do I mean by that, guys? 7-1. So your 7th note is A, 1st note is B. So we know our chord progression. We know it starts on the E flat, then it goes to the F. So how can we do this? Guys, watch this. You can start your solo with the 7-1. And watch what I do here. Since I know my first chord is E flat, I can do this. I can hit the B flat and hit the E flat. Then I go back to the 7-1. We're responding with the 7-1. We're responding with it. Watch how I respond with it. Watch it. 7-1. Then go 7-1. Then CF. And I do the CF again. Since our D minor, you can still use this note in it. And I know our last chord is a G minor, so we're going to do that. So listen to how I do it, guys. I don't know if you guys caught that. I'm responding with a 7-1 and I'm keeping my chords in the progression. So E flat, F, D minor, G minor. E flat, F, D minor, G minor. You see how I'm responding? So that's how you break down the solo out to it. Now let's try a different version of this 7-1. Let's try a different version. You guys see what I'm doing? So you guys see what I'm doing? I'm 7-1. I know I'm going to land on the E flat major. So I just kind of lead it with this F. Here's my E flat major notes, which is B flat and E flat. Now we're on F. And you could do this again. And then we land on G. But as you can see, I'm still using my 7-1. You can do a million solos with the 7-1, guys, responding with the key in the chord progression. Guys, remember, I'm going to break it down one last time before I go. Check out KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Get your sounds for the Mod X and Main Stage or your Roland XV5080. Before I go, I'm going to break it down. You start with your 4, which is E flat, and you can kind of respond with the 7-1. You can respond with the 7-1 when you go to the F. You respond with a 7-1 when you go to the D. Or respond with a 7-1 when you go to the G. It's very simple. You're just responding with 7-1. These two notes. With two notes, you can murder the game. And I'm gonna do a few more versions of the 7-1 so you guys can open your mind to these ideas. Now you guys can try it for yourselves. Thank you guys. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chake, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.